Imagine the thrill of a majestic lion prowling in the golden savanna under the African sun. Picture a vast, untamed wilderness stretching as far as the eye can see, teeming with life in all its raw, natural beauty. This is the Serengeti National Park, a jewel in the heart of Tanzania, East Africa. Covering an immense area of 12,000 square miles, the park is a sanctuary for countless species and a paradise for nature lovers. Welcome to the Serengeti National Park, where every day is a new adventure. The Serengeti isn't just about wildlife, its landscapes are equally breathtaking. Picture this: vast open plains that stretch out as far as the eye can see, a seemingly infinite expanse of golden grasses swaying gently in the breeze under the boundless African sky. This is the iconic image most folks conjure up when they think of the Serengeti, and it's as awe-inspiring in person as it is in your imagination. Yet the Serengeti isn't a one-trick pony when it comes to landscapes. It's a symphony of ecosystems, each with its unique allure. Venture beyond the plains and you'll find yourself in the midst of river valleys, where the life-giving waters carve their path through the land, creating lush green corridors teeming with life. Here the air is filled with the sounds of rushing water and the calls of countless birds, creating a melody that speaks to the heart of the wild. There are also the woodlands, where towering acacia trees dominate the landscape, their distinctive flat-topped canopies creating a stark contrast against the clear blue sky. These woodlands provide a sanctuary for many of the Serengeti's creatures, offering shade from the African sun and a refuge from predators. But let's not forget the sunsets. Oh, the sunsets! The Serengeti is renowned for its spectacular sundowns, where the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant oranges, purples, and pinks. As the sun dips below the horizon, it casts a soft golden light across the land, making the grasslands glow and the silhouettes of distant trees stand out in sharp relief. It's a sight that's as humbling as it is beautiful. And then, there are the panoramic views. From atop a kopje, a type of rocky outcrop that dots the landscape, you can gaze out over the Serengeti and take in its vastness. It's a place where the sky meets the earth, where the wild meets the serene, and where every view is a postcard. The landscapes of the Serengeti are as diverse as they are stunning, providing a breathtaking backdrop for the wildlife that call it home. The Serengeti is a living, breathing world of wildlife. The Serengeti, a landscape teeming with life, is a dream destination for wildlife enthusiasts around the globe. It's a place where the sights and sounds of nature come alive, vividly reminding us of the incredible biodiversity our planet has to offer. This is an ecosystem where every creature, large or small, has a role to play in the circle of life. One of the main attractions for visitors to the Serengeti are the Big Five: lions, leopards, elephants, rhinos, and buffaloes. The sight of a majestic lion prowling in the grasslands, or a herd of elephants meandering by a watering hole, is an experience that leaves an indelible mark on the memory. Leopards, elusive and elegant, can often be spotted lounging on the branches of acacia trees, while rhinos and buffaloes are a powerful testament to the raw, untamed beauty of this wilderness. But the spectacle of wildlife in the Serengeti doesn't stop there. You'll also see giraffes, their long necks reaching for the highest leaves, and hippos, lounging in the cool waters of the Serengeti's rivers. And for birdwatchers, the Serengeti is a paradise, home to hundreds of different bird species, each adding their unique notes to the symphony of sounds that fill the air. One of the most awe-inspiring spectacles in the animal kingdom takes place here every year: the annual migration of wildebeests and zebras. In a mass movement that involves over 1 million animals, wildebeests and zebras traverse the plains of the Serengeti in search of fresh grazing lands. This epic journey, fraught with challenges and marked by the rhythms of nature, is a testament to the resilience and determination of these creatures. And let's not forget the smaller inhabitants of the Serengeti. From the industrious ants to the colorful butterflies, each has a role to play in this intricate web of life. From the smallest insect to the largest predator, the Serengeti is a thriving ecosystem of fascinating creatures. In this grand theater of nature, every day is a new performance, a new story to tell, and the Serengeti in all its wild splendor is the stage. A safari in the Serengeti is more than just a vacation. It's an experience of a lifetime. Picture this. Your day begins as the first rays of the African sun paint the sky in shades of orange and purple. It's an early start, but the promise of adventure has you up and ready, with a steaming cup of coffee in hand. Your heart races with anticipation as you climb aboard the safari vehicle. The air is cool, the atmosphere electric, The Serengeti, in all its wild, untamed glory, awaits. As the vehicle navigates the vast plains, every rustle in the grass, every bird call is a sign of life stirring. The thrill of spotting wildlife in their natural habitat is unparalleled. Maybe it's a pride of lions lounging lazily under an acacia tree, or a herd of elephants meandering through the grasslands. There's something incredibly humbling about watching these scenes unfold, about being a silent observer in this grand theater of life. As the day winds down, you return to the camp. The excitement of the day ebbs away, replaced by a sense of tranquility. The evening is spent around a crackling campfire, sharing stories under a blanket of stars. It's an intimate end to a day filled with awe-inspiring moments. Every safari in the Serengeti is an unforgettable journey into the heart of the wild. It's not just about seeing wildlife, it's about immersing yourself in the rhythms of nature, about feeling alive in a way you never have before. The Serengeti National Park offers an unparalleled experience of the wild African savanna. This vast wilderness, sprawling across miles of untouched terrain, is a testament to the majesty and allure of Mother Nature herself. It's a place where the earth dances to the rhythm of life, and the air hums with the symphony of the wild. Imagine the thrill of witnessing the diverse landscapes, from endless grasslands to tranquil rivers, and from rolling hills to dramatic kopjes. Each corner of the Serengeti is a new spectacle, a fresh canvas painted by the hands of nature. Envision the richness of wildlife, the iconic African Big Five, the millions of wildebeests and zebras during the Great Migration, and the plethora of bird species that color the sky. Each creature plays a crucial role in the intricate web of life that thrives here. Picture the unique safari experience, the exhilaration of exploration, the serenity of sundowners, and the intimacy of luxury-tented camps. Each moment in the Serengeti is a memory etched in the sands of time. The Serengeti awaits you, ready to unveil its wonders and inspire awe with its untamed beauty.